everyone, it's Claire. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make some graduation jewellery today. So why not join me and I'll show you a tutorial of how I make them. Very simple and easy to do. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will help so much. So we have two different charms. I have some 8mm jump rings. These are Casey Gold because the chains are Casey Gold. And these are more of a Casey Gold on the back. Casey Gold is just a lighter colour gold. And then we've got some 5mm gold. These are just a normal gold plated jump ring. We've got two Casey Gold necklace chains. These are ready made. Silicone earring backs. And we've got some Casey Gold earring wires. And two pairs of pliers. Clear bags to put the jewellery in. And some jewellery cards. Now I have ordered some stickers for these that haven't yet arrived, but I'll just show you what they look like. There's 3 different designs that the customer can choose from. And I've got some craft jewellery cards. All the supplies are available on my website, which I'll link below for you. Here you will find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. We're going to do the earrings first of all. So we take an earring wire, 5mm gold jump ring. These are 0.8mm thick. There are different thickness of jump rings. If you want to have a go at making these, I'll link a video all about jump rings and how you open and close them. But they've got a tiny slit on the top. And you just go side to side to open them, never this way, otherwise you'll never close them again. So we attach the earring wire, then we attach the charm and close. And there is your earring. Do the same again. Take a jump ring. Open, touch the earring wire, touch the charm, and then close. And for the necklace, these are 1mm thick, quite strong to hold your charm. Again, each side. If you wanted to use a smaller jump ring, you can. This is all I actually have right now in stock. So there is the necklace. So we could pop it on here. A bit longer. There we go. I'm going to do the same for this design now. As always, I leave everything to the last minute. Oh, I'm so disorganized. And I had to go and buy some graduation jewellery for my daughter when she graduated from Bristol University. And I was telling myself, I could have made that so much cheaper. So much cheaper. So again. I've been going for over 10 years now. I forget the actual amount of time. And I've never made graduation jewellery or bought anything for people to make graduation. It wasn't until my own daughter was graduating. I never went to university. Okay. Earring wire. There's that one. And then we're just going to do a necklace now. So what I will do is I'll sell them individually as earrings or as a set. And obviously, if you buy them as a set, they'll be cheaper. So take some money off. Then hopefully that will encourage people to buy the actual set. So again, we attach those. What I will do is I will place an order for some 6mm Casey Gold jump rings. This is all I actually have to hand right now. But I just wanted to get a tutorial up for you because it seems like ages since I did it seems like a long time since I uploaded a jewellery tutorial. So there's that one. And then what I would do is put some silicone earring backs. I'm not going to because I'm going to take some photos with just the earrings on their own. So there you are, graduation jewellery. And there's lots of different stickers available you can buy to put on here. Congratulations, grad of 24. Happy graduation 24. There's lots available out there. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.